Yes, yes, people. How we doing? Hope you're all good. Yeah. Is everyone well? I hope so. Look at this absolute kick in the cooch right there. That is a kick. Cancelled this order out, but good lord. Huge moves. So let's just take a minute here to appreciate the fact that this system is taught to you guys on a regular basis completely free. Now, whether you like the system or not, whether you prefer a higher hit rate, you cannot deny that it holds a significant amount of value if you actually apply it properly. If you actually apply it properly, you are going to see very consistent long-term outcomes. We hit this beautiful sell. No trigger in. Unfortunately, it skimmed the order. We did have this tap in though, which was pretty nice. Straight to TP on that one. We're also looking for potential longs here because we changed bias on oil. We gave this sell setup yesterday in our Discord and we mentioned that the bias changed. So we actually got out with a minor profit. I think it's around here. So how is everyone? Hope everyone's well. So if you come look down here, you can see our confirmation's given. We're now looking for the entry to be given. Doesn't look like it's going to be given, to be honest. We're quite far off of that now. CPI was strong. Yes, mate, it really was. I hope you're well, brother. Yeah, afternoon. Orion gave an absolutely screamer entry on Euro. Yeah, good, thanks, brother. Not too bad at all. And I think this is something that I mentioned a minute ago. The people that consistently join this live stream, excuse me, the people that consistently join this live stream and take information in, I don't think the people that the people that don't, the people that come and they go, they don't appreciate the value of this system and how well it is structured. And unfortunately, because of that, we are starting to give a lot more time to our true members in the Discord. And I would love to spend every day here on YouTube, giving time and teaching you guys something that is super valuable, but unfortunately people just don't really care too much. So it's not it's not a big deal for the way things work, but I really wish that the YouTube crew would really apply themselves like the Discord crew and see some decent results, because you can get it. You just need to apply yourself and apply the rules that Orion gives you. The U-Chef, sorry, was pretty clean. Guy is a beast. Guy, yeah. Andre as well. So I've had to pretty much all day I've been restructuring one of my online stores, and it's been the most long-winded thing ever. The longest thing ever. But that's part of running multiple businesses, I guess, you know. Sometimes you have to do the boring shit. Which unfortunately was today. So GU, look at the low down here on GU. So today is the middle of the week. There's potential now to be getting some nice moves, especially, for example, like here we had an example this morning given by Andre, I believe it was, saying, are we going to hold bullish on euro? Now, if you look, not bullish, sorry, we're going to change bullish. Now, if you look, it is impossible for us to change to bullish now. So we are going to remain bearish for the foreseeable sessions. Now, gold, for example, has potential to open up a bias to the sell side, but I believe we're still very fundamentally strong on gold, and I think we still have high opportunities. So see here. Thinking about it, I think all the Discord communities, I rank yours number one. Members discipline, they all follow the trading rules for the system. Yeah, exactly. And that's the thing as well. I wish, this is what I said before a few of you guys joined, which was I wish that the people that find us on YouTube would actually apply the rule set and learn the system properly and apply it and join the Discord and be more active, because that's where you start to see the improvement. So we need to see from here, we need to see some movement to the upside. Now, of course, we don't have to, and we've had no money in for a little while. Now, we did take out these two lows, and I thought we might see a nice money in and be able to run it higher. Didn't happen. That's fine. We need to see price action come down into a new low or develop a new low that we can take out. We don't want to be trading off of a money in that appears here, because we're not really correlating with the liquid that we took out. Oh my gosh. Pardon me. How's everyone's week been so far? Hopefully good. So it's likely that we're going to see this shift to bullish now. Now we do have a power testimony in 1 hour, so keep that in mind. Power testimony is obviously going to shake things up. So that is something to keep in mind. We do have that coming up. Ba 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 ba. Cool. Right, let me just have a look at this quickly. Second. Where are we here? Okay, I've got a lot of work to do tonight. I know that much. A lot. What are you guys saying? You want a bit of music in the background? You want some beats? Or are you guys all good, just chilling? I think it's one of those things where you're always going to have people that want music, people that don't. You know, you can listen to your own music if there isn't music in the background. Oh my gosh. Whew. So remember, guys, every day we're going to be posting up in the Discord. We're going to be posting the daily biasing for AU and oil, as well as hosting VIP sessions. So we might be doing streams on YouTube here, but we're going to be really giving some time to the VIPs. And again, I'm not one of these people to sit here and say you have to join, because you don't. You know, it's completely up to you. Also, VIP membership is like $20 a month or something silly like that. You know, I can't actually remember the actual pricing for it. It was the marketing team that set that up. So it's not like some crazy $400 a month BS to enter the Discord. Like, so it looks like oil's selling off some more here. Now I know that Andre is holding this sell. Even though he's technically counter, he's holding that sell, which is cool. Remember, if you're trading the Orion system, you have options and protocols to follow through with. One of those protocols being, if you take a trade and the bias changes, you can either get out at a profit or you can protect your position at BE. What's going on, Alex? Hope you're good, my friend. What's going on? I'm all good, thanks, brother. I hope you're good. So again, we gave this entry out yesterday in the Discord. We have had a bias change now, so we were technically looking for a long in here. Didn't give it to us, that's fine. We had a sell bias on Euro and it gave an absolute scorcher. Unfortunately, it didn't trigger us in. So be it. Again, think about this. Think about this: the amount of people that would have come to this stream and been like, I took that trade. I'm just gonna get out here. 1 to 7. I'm gonna get out and be done for the day. Sweet. No, we didn't get triggered. We didn't get triggered in. Look, at the end of the day, that's the realistic thing. You know, you don't always get your orders met. U-Chef was met though, and that TP'd, which was 3.2. So it's not the best, but still a valid setup, and it worked. Was squeaky bum time a little bit down here, but we weren't at a high enough RR to go BE, and to be honest, news crept up on me a little bit quicker than I thought it was. So that was a lucky TP right there. But they're all Orion entries. Euro being a sell entry from the 4-hour high being taken out. We have a money out area coming. Boom. Beautiful move to the downside. Yes, it was fundamentally driven, but technically the news didn't actually come in until here. So we were well into... We just hit 2R when news came in, so you would have been protected with a nice gap there. If you were lucky enough to get triggered in. Which, unfortunately for me, I wasn't. Now, I know that Guy trades sometimes with a little bit of a split entry. So maybe he got one of his orders entered. I don't know. Let's go to CAD Chef because we gave this out in the Discord. We gave out a bullish bias for this. UGA high. Okay, cool. I'm not too worried about that. Okay, no lows have been hit, but we are still bullish. We hit all the targets that we set for it. Now we're looking for a new move to the upside. Remember guys, if you're not already in the Discord, jump in the Discord and share your Orion learning experience with the Discord community. The community is there to be a collective of people that trade in the same direction, with the same rule set, with the same principles. So jump in there and get involved. Remember, if you share this to anybody, I appreciate it. Hit that like button, we appreciate it a million. Let's have a look at some of these pairs here. What are you expecting for gold and NASA open? Well, my bias is bullish, so run a low, go bullish. That's what I would expect. Gold. It looks like we're putting the money in right now. Same as we gave out for oil. Not oil, silver. We gave a long from here to follow it up into the highs. So we're looking for this low to be ran if it wants to go. We've only got another 20 minutes or so until open, so. Right, so at the moment, oh, here we go. Where are we here? Just drawing. We got alerts set on the lows because we know what we're using here, which is the Orion entry levels. So the alerts are all on that. What are you guys expecting at market open? Tricky one. I see long. Yeah, so do I. Exactly what I see. Alex, give me all my monies. I believe that is going to be the case, Alex. Tempted shorting you, chef? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think we're running the highest perfect personally, but I see what you're saying. The opportunity could be a little short move in here before we continue that shift up. Yeah, I think there's definitely potential. Definitely potential for that sell off. But I can't go against Orion. And Orion's telling me up is the way. So we have a lot of framework to implement into Orion. Now the entry criteria is getting closer and closer. We've got to enter. We've got to adjust the. We've got to adjust the. I can't even speak. The management. That's it. The management of the entry itself. So, for example, we don't want it to be maintaining orders that we wouldn't actually be taking. 5-minute money in on EU. Love that notification. Let's see. Yeah, I see it. I'm still short on it, but of course you change bias quicker because you're using a slightly different system. Yeah, some short-term trades, but keep in mind there's a medium time frame player and a higher time frame player. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and you use pretty much the same principles that we use, but you just capitalize on smaller time frame stuff, which is awesome as well. And what I don't want people to do is take a system that other people use and other people have already and just apply it and hope that it works, because a lot of the time people have extensive amounts of data to back up the trading system they're using. Some people don't, and they're just doing whatever, but most people that actually have any type of consistency with it do have data to back up the system they're using. Guy has just said that he's on a GJ. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. Didn't even see that. What are we taking out there, though? I don't have any. Interesting. No. Dude, I forgot my order on GCAT we were talking about yesterday. Seems I'm long laugh out loud. What? Ba 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 ba. Oh, oh yes. Woo. Gosh. GCAD. Let's go over to GCAD. I haven't looked at GCAD. Oh gosh. Nah. Nah. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Okay. Right, so 5 minutes time, guys. We're heading over into the Discord for the VIPs. If you are a VIP, feel free to jump in there and get things rocking. You don't have to wait for me. Open my NT5 in a trade, Pikachu face. I was like, I forgot to put a limit. Thank God. I didn't forget stop loss. Yeah. Slap that like button even. Yeah. Let's see. Can we get to the goal that we set, which is 10? Kind of, I would say probably no, because there's only 5 people in it right now. And if you've all liked it already, then that is, unfortunate. If you haven't, though, bada bing bada boom. Slap that like button. Slap it. So we're just seeing if we can get some movement here for what was the pair we were looking at earlier? Not Euro. GJ, that's it. I personally I'm seeing this. Guy said he was going off of one of the highs in here. I think it's a bit overextended, but we'll see. We'll see what what it comes back with. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm getting a load of alerts popping up saying that the stream apparently is not working properly. What are you looking at on gold? So for gold, we're looking for price to long out of here. Ultimately, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. It's now New York Open, so we are going to shuffle over to the Discord. If you aren't a Discord member, then join using the link down below. If you are a VIP, jump in the VIP floor, and I'll catch you all in there very shortly. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in tomorrow's live stream. Peace and love. I'll see you all very soon. Enjoy the rest of your trading day. Trade safe, and always follow Orion.